My friend, today I'm going to cozy up my dining room area. Now, I did decorate last month for fall and I used the deep plum tones behind me, which I absolutely loved. They gave that cool, crisp feeling that we associate with fall. But the last few days, I've really been needing more of a warm hug feeling, and the cool, crisp colors just aren't doing it. So I'm going to take and switch everything in my dining room and transition it from the cool tones to the warm fall tones, giving me what I hope will be more of that cozy, comfy vibe that I'm so craving. I'm Nicole with the door on the table. I'm going to start transitioning my whole dining room area, including the buffet table behind me, my sitting area to the side, and my dining room table from the cool, crisp to the warm, cozy. Let's go. Let's take a moment and talk about the weather. Lately, the nights have been getting that perfect little chill in the air. You know, the kind that just makes you want to wrap yourself up in something soft and warm. It's that cozy, comfy feeling that makes you want to slow down a little, light a candle, and sink into your space. Honestly, it's my favorite time of year to start bringing those fall vibes into my home. And I'll be honest, I was a little under the weather a few days ago. All I wanted to do was curl up on the couch in my comfiest clothes with a big soft blanket. You know, that kind of lazy, snuggly feel where the world just slows down for a bit? Well, that totally punched up my need to bring the same kind of cozy energy into my dining room. I just kept thinking, if I can make this space feel as warm and inviting as my blanket, then it's going to be my favorite spot in my home. So I started thinking about little ways to bring that cozy fall feeling inside, and I found this leaf garland at Target. Isn't it perfect? I love how it brings the outside in. Those warm, earthy colors instantly make the space feel more inviting. I think it's going to help bring that soft, seasonal touch to my buffet table. I'm not really into pumpkins this season, so I'm not planning on using them much in my decor. I'm really going to lean into the warm fall palette, the yellows, oranges, deep greens. I'm also going to swap out some of my usual whites for the tans, browns, and oatmeal tones. Isn't it amazing how just changing a few colors and textures can totally shift the mood of a room and make it feel cozy? I found these candles at Target. There's 4 to a pack. They have a wonderful deep green leaf pattern that's really going to coordinate well with the other warm tones I'm using. While I was sick, I started reading our book for book club. It's the Thursday Murder Club, and I have to say, I am really loving it. The author's writing style just clicks with me. I can totally see the characters in my mind as I'm reading. Doesn't go overboard with tons of description or unnecessary detail. He has this gift for writing that makes it so easy to imagine the characters, the setting, and even the little moments. It's actually been made into a movie and it's out on Netflix right now with Helen Mirren, Pierce Bronson, and Bean Kingsley. Such a great cast, right? The movie does a pretty decent job staying true to the book, but honestly, with most things, the book is just better. There's something about the way the author captures the humor and little quirks of the characters that doesn't quite translate the same on screen. Have you read the book or maybe watched the movie? I'd love to know what you think. Let me know in the comments down below. Now to start working on my dining room table. Instead of a traditional tablecloth this season, I'm actually going to use this washable throw blanket I picked up at Target. Doesn't it scream soft and cozy? I love the vibe it brings to the table. I've been thinking a little out of the box here. A throw is technically just fabric, right? So why not use it like a tablecloth? The white tablecloth had a crisp, clean look, which is nice, but swapping it out for this oatmeal dark green blanket softens everything. It gives the table this cozy, layered warmth that feels perfect for fall. And with the texture of the blanket, There's a comfiness, relaxed essence that makes the whole space feel more welcoming. It's like the table's wearing its own little sweater. Next, I'm going to start layering my place settings. I'm going to be using my rattan charger plates as the base, then stacking my organic shaped hearth and hand plates on top, and finishing with green salad plates. I love how this mix of textures and shapes is going to create interest without feeling fussy. What's making this really fun is I'm not buying anything new. I'm just combining pieces I already own in a way that's going to feel fresh and ready for fall. To keep with the casual, relaxed vibe of the table, I'm going with two different vintage colored glasses. I've got an amber one for water and a green one for a secondary beverage. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know I almost always set my table with two glasses. Honestly, it's because I want water with my meal, but more often than not, I also like having something else to drink. It just feels right to me to have both glasses on the table. What about you? Do you set your table with one or two glasses? Let me know in the comments down below. For the centerpiece, I'm going to use my Dole bowl that's propped up in the corner here. I love using containers or trays like this because you can really fill them with decorations, like this second leaf garland I picked up at Target. It takes just a little bit of tweaking to get the garland to sit just right and fill the bowl snugly. I love how it really fills the whole space, but still leaves room for me to be able to put these two grapevine pumpkins. And I can even tuck the cords inside so they're not visible. Now, I like keeping my centerpiece simple with just the garland and the pumpkins, but I know some of you love adding a few extra touches, and you could easily pop in some little stems, picks, or extra small pumpkins to amp up that fall vibe and maybe even add a little more color if that's what you're searching for. Since I still have two candles left over from the buffet table, I figured they'd be perfect to add on either side of the dough bowl. That way, the look from the buffet flows right onto the tablescape and everything feels connected without being too matchy. I love how the candles and garland tie the two spaces together. I didn't forget about the napkins. This is actually where I pull the whole table setting together. I've got these wonderful oatmeal colored DIY napkins I made from a pages cloth that I cut up. Don't they match the throw perfectly? I'm just going to wrap a little piece of twine around each napkin, slide on a dried orange slice, and tie it with a simple knot. It's going to bring that little pop of orange color to the place settings. And then I'm going to put them at a slight angle on each plate, which really adds to that casual, cozy vibe I'm going for.
Now I'm going to start working on my little seating area. I wanted to coordinate with the dining table and buffet so everything feels cohesive. I found these pillows at Target. Aren't they fabulous? I love the dark orange with the oatmeal combination. Such a warm, cozy combo. Then I added this throw, also from Target, over the chair. I think adding that softness instantly makes the chairs feel more inviting and cozy. Next, I want to add a little fall foliage to this spot. I think this vase with the fall stems really does the trick because some of the leaves have some of that same orange as the pillows. By the way, I'll make sure I link everything that I'm using in the description below. That's all I'm going to get done today. I think focusing on the colors and textures to really give the dining area that warm, inviting fall feeling is providing that warm hug I was hoping to attain. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Remember, a beautifully set table is a gift to those gathered around it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.